Hello everyone, it's the 5th of December. That means we are going to open door number 5. We've opened 4 doors so far, so what is behind the 5th? Now, whereabouts is it? Can anyone spot it? Ooh, there it is! So let's open door number 5. Ooh, so we have a picture of a star, and this is Luke chapter 1 verses 38, and it said, Mary said, Behold, the servant of the Lord, let it be done to me according to your word. So, she's agreeing with the angel and agreeing with God and saying, let me do according to your word, according to what you've asked of me. So there we go, we've opened 5 doors so far. Come back tomorrow to open door number 6.